Isn't ultimately the purpose to find soundness in our hearts? And that's where this name comes from, right? إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمًا. And that's, what is a sound heart? What is a full heart? A sound heart is a feeling of completeness. It's a feeling of contentment. It's a healthy heart. It's a happy heart. It's a heart that isn't ridden with disease and sorrow, right? That's what a sound heart means.
You reminded me of the hadith, إِنَّ فِي الْجَسَدِ مُضْغَةً إِذَا صَلُحَتْ صَلُحَ الْجَسَدَ كُلَّهُ. In our bodies, there is one part that if it's sound and healthy, all the body is healthy, which is the heart.
And that really, I think, highlights our approach. We approach problems holistically. We approach problems from what's known as a systemic lens. And this is what makes us unique as marriage and family therapists, is that we see that problems are not necessarily isolated. But if somebody comes home to a toxic environment, if somebody comes home to an environment of yelling and screaming, of an environment of misunderstanding and judgment, how will that affect that person's heart? How will that affect that person's well-being?